Real estate lawyer Jennifer Messado and her co-accused has been granted bail.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Prominent real estate attorney Jennifer Messado has been ordered not to leave her home between the hours of 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. and to surrender her travel documents to the police. The orders were made in the Kingston and St. Andrew Court today, Tuesday, May the 15th, after prosecutors revealed that local authorities got a tip that Messado was planning to flee the island. Added to that, prosecutors said she's on an investigation in relation to at least 8 other cases. The well-known attorney was granted $800,000 bail and ordered to report to the Constance Spring Police Station daily. A stop order has also been placed on her at the Nation Sports. Her co-accused real estate broker Beverly Barakat also appeared in court today and was ordered bail in the sum of 50,000 Jamaican dollars. Messado was arrested on Friday, May 11 by investigators from CTOC and charged with 2 counts of forgery, 2 counts of uttering forged documents, conspiracy to defraud, causing money to be paid out by forged documents, and money laundering. Meanwhile, Barakat was arrested on Sunday, May 13th and charged with conspiracy to defraud, forgery, and operating a real estate brokerage firm without a license. It is alleged that Barakat and Messado conspired to illegally transfer a property owned by the West Kings House Gospel Church. Both Barakat and Messado are to return to court on July the 3rd.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.